Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best action camera on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. AKASO V50X Action Camera. AKASO V50X 4K Wi-Fi Action Camera is an excellent camera to capture all happiest moments of your life in the most beautiful way. Remember the wonderful things that have happened to you, the precious moments that you wish to cherish forever, the loving faces that you want to see over and over again. AKASO V50X 4K Wi-Fi Action Camera is a stunning piece of gadget. It is made from high-quality material that is strong enough to resist impacts and water. AKASO V50X 4K Wi-Fi Action Camera can be used for a variety of activities such as hiking, biking, running, swimming, diving, etc. AKASO V50X Action Camera is equipped with a 4.0 LCD display touchscreen that is easy to navigate and gives access to hundreds of camera settings. AKASO V50X Action Camera is perfect for filmmakers, athletes and outdoor enthusiasts who want to tell their stories in full HD. Number 4. Quick Win Action Camera. Quick Win Action Camera is an action camera with a GoPro look, feel and performance, but for a fraction of the price. It features 4K Ultra HD video recording at 30 FPS, a built-in screen LCD touchscreen, 2.3 TFT LCD touchscreen, waterproof sport camera drive recorder, 4K sports camera helmet, Action Cam Hero 8 HD 1080p 140 degrees wide-angle lens, built-in Wi-Fi, 90 minutes of battery life by using a single 1050 mAh battery, waterproof up to 33 feet. With product you can take HD videos and pictures with your family, friends, sports, and outdoor activities like diving, surfing, climbing, skiing, and more. You can also use it as a car recorder or dash cam to capture your driving experience. Quick Win Action Camera is the best action camera you can buy under 100. The HERO4 features the best video and photo quality ever, access to an all-new video library and powerful new features including voice control, quick capture and super view. It's the most powerful GoPro we've ever made. Number 3. SJCAM Action Camera. SJCAM SJ4000 Air 4K Action Camera Full HD All-Winner 4K 30 FPS Wi-Fi 2.03 Screen Mini Helmet Waterproof Sports DV Camera is a serious contender for best action cam on the market. This baby is jam-packed with all the features you need to take your productions to the next level. This is more than just a camera, it's a tool that gives you the freedom to explore your creativity without any limits. The video capabilities include 4K 30 FPS video and an high-definition 1080p 60 FPS video. The photos are just as amazing at 12 megapixels on the back camera. The SJCAM SJ4000 Air features 4K ultra clear picture quality and capture every detail of your trip down the slopes or on the trail. The SJCAM SJ4000 Air 4K Action Camera Full HD All-Winner 4K 30 FPS Wi-Fi 2.03 Screen Mini Helmet Waterproof Sports DV Camera has a set of features that will allow you to adjust settings like picture quality, exposure, white balance, and more to meet your specific needs. The built-in HD 2.0 display allows for easy, familiar viewing of your videos, images and settings, so you can adjust as you go. Number 2. Drift Ghost XL Action Camera. Drift Ghost XL Action Camera is built with a tough, lightweight frame and is waterproof for those times you get splashed. It can survive a drop from up to 2 meters and captures full HD 1080p videos and photos at 30 FPS. Drift Ghost XL Action Camera comes with a remote control and has a 170-degree wide-angle lens with a f2.2 aperture to fit as much in shot as possible. The 2.0-inch screen offers a 140-degree viewing angle. This drift camera also offers Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can use the free iOS and Android app, as well as an optional waterproof case. It can pair with up to 3 devices at once and stores on a microSD card. When you're done, the camera can be mounted on a tripod or can be used as a dash cam. This helmet camera is rugged, lightweight, and ready to go. The Drift waterproof digital camera is nothing but the best. With a built-in Wi-Fi and digital Wi-Fi display, you can now use your smartphone's connectivity to start recording and share on the go, instantly. Number 1. GoPro HERO10 Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 10 Action Camera Black is a touchscreen, lightweight and water-resistant action camera designed to deliver incredible photos and videos in 30, 25 and 24 frames per second. Get the GoPro Hero 10 Black action camera for your next outdoor adventure vacation or just to show off to your friends. This digital HD camera is the latest in technology and has a screen that is 5.3 inches that allows you to see exactly what you are filming. It has great 4K videos, enhanced audio, and a picture resolution that is stunning. It is waterproof up to 10 meters so you can go surfing and not worry about your camera. It is perfect for hiking, skydiving, skiing, surfing and every other extreme sport. It captures every smallest detail, letting you enjoy every little moment, be it a casual game of football or a professional match. It is designed with a rugged housing that is waterproof down to 10 meters. Even if it falls in the water, it will float. The touchscreen LCD can be detached, turning it into a wearable camera. Enjoy every moment of your life with the help of GoPro Hero 10 Black Action Camera, a 5.3K screen sports camera, 23MP GP2 waterproof mini video cameras. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.